I'm so glad that you're here, and if not, like, hi, welcome back. It's so good to see you guys. Anyways, hi, my name is Sharika, and today's video, as you've read the title, it's about me doing facial. And as you guys know, that I've actually made so many videos about facial, or like, you know, just taking care of my skin, and I love taking care of myself. That is literally my go-to thing. Like, if I could like literally make a series of videos of me taking care of myself, I would. So yeah, today's video is about, like, you know, simple, easy, cheap facial that you guys could do it. It's really budget friendly. It's like, it literally won't kill your bank account or whatever. And as you can see, this is what my skin looks like before. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but honestly I could see some sort of breakouts, and the reason why I kept wiping my face is because I could see some sort of glitter on my face. I'm not sure if you could see the glitter, but yeah, I don't even know how the glitter got here. So yeah, so here I am wiping my face with a wet towel. I'm sorry, not a wet towel, but like it's a wet top, but yeah, you get the point. Anyways, the reason why I was wiping it because I could see some sort of glitter. So here's what my face looks like before. So my hair was front of a way and I didn't like it, so let's do a cute transition, voila, and we're done. I mean, don't I look cute? Hey guys, so I don't really know the best place to like know for that, but yeah, I'll just clean my face now. Okay, much better than I thought you could actually see my breast on it. I'm literally doing this at 12 in the morning, so I even have class tomorrow. Okay, so here I'm using 1 teaspoon of sugar, honey, and honey is really good for your face. And the reason why I use sugar is because I'm doing this like literally after every 2 weeks, and sugar literally helps me get rid of you know, dead skin. I literally have dead skin like on my face, dry dead skin, and it's peeling all over my face. Like today morning I did my makeup. I'll see if I've got any picture or something. I don't think I took any picture, but like I literally had dead skin like around my face, dry dead skin, and that's when I knew that I actually had to exfoliate my face. I'll be steaming my face. This is usually how I do it. I just take a pot of hot water, water, and then I sort of boil it. And then after that, I just put my face on, like, you know, in front of a pot, and then I steam my face. I stand there for 5 minutes, and this is what my skin looks like. It looks so nice and glowy. Honestly, it just gives you the same result. I don't see the point of buying a pot. And then I go to my room and I start extracting the oil or the sebum. I'm not sure what it's called, the blackhead. But yeah, alhamdulillah, I don't have any but I could see though, like I did have, like, you know, those white sticky gooey thing. And then I was also having some sort of breakout on my lips, so I started sort of like pinching my lips, and then I accidentally bruised myself and I didn't even realize it. Yeah. And now I'm wondering, where did this bruise come from? Because I honestly didn't see it. Like I was so confused. I was genuinely confused. I think I accidentally bruised myself by squeezing it too hard. Do you see it? Yeah, don't follow that. Don't follow that step. Like I said, I am no professional, but yeah. Yeah, licking it won't do anything. And now that I'm done extracting my face, I'll be putting a mask on. is how you make the mask. You take some turmeric, honey, coffee, and some yogurt, and also I take some basin just so that it could be cream-like. As you can see, it looks a bit watery, so I add some more so that it could be cream-like. Now this is the perfect consistency, and when I put it on my face, I literally spread it with my finger. And as you can see, like the cream, like it literally looks really nice on my skin, like it's not drooping or anything. And yeah, this is like usually how we do it in the Asian community. This is so good for your face, like honestly. Like I'll just read the description for the benefits if you want to know the benefits of these ingredients. So after this mask dried, I had to go wash my face. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it on the camera because I had to go to the bathroom. And then I put some butter on my face. Yes, real butter. And then after that, I shaved my face. And I'm so sorry you couldn't really see the hair because I did wax my face like 2-3 weeks ago. And since then my hair has been growing really slowly. I really like waxing my face because honestly this is the best part of my hair growing really slowly on my face. And yeah, this is how I usually shave my face, just so that the dead skins could go away. And then I put on my serum. I usually like tapping the serum or any sort of cream on my face, like literally tap so that it could actually go inside. And then I take out my LED mask. So in this LED mask, there's red, blue, and orange. And today I'll be using the red one as it's really good for the collagen and stuff. So yeah, I'll be using the red one. Anyways guys, I am finally done with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this video for you guys. As you can see, my skin looks so much fairer and brighter than before. Like I actually like this. This is what I was actually going for, like, you know, a glow, and this literally did it. I actually love how my skin looks. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and it's literally 4 a.m. in the morning. I should be asleep. I literally have class tomorrow, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow or not. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to comment, and also please do subscribe. Like it's literally right down here. It's the red button, just click it. And also don't forget to follow me on my socials. I'm active there, so follow me, see what I'm up to.